Welcome back, Dropshipping Hustlers. In this video, I'll be making a challenge where I'll be taking an eBay store which is currently making $0 and scaling it all the way up to making $1,000 to $3,000 net profit every single month. Without further ado, let's get started. Now, just for your information, I am utilizing an AI software called Ecom Sniper. However, everything can be done manually. Now, after you warm up your eBay store, the next thing that you want to do is go to Amazon Bestsellers tab. And the reason why we want to do that is because we dropship from Amazon to eBay. Now, once you're on Amazon, go to Bestsellers tab. Two things to watch out for here. One, you want to keep your price range in between $15 in the minimum side all the way to $80. The reason why you don't want to go below $15 is because there wouldn't be much margins profits once you sell an item that's below $15. You don't want to go above $80 because Amazon will be requiring a one-time password from your customers upon delivery, which is really impossible for you to provide that one-time password right on the spot. The second thing would be your category of choice. Now, if you're a beginner eBay dropshipper, you don't want to go to categories such as electronics because there's a lot of things that can be wrong. Also, you don't want to sell electronic devices such as computers and or TVs because I found, according to my experience, that's where a lot of the scammers will be running, because you cannot simply win your cases with eBay because they can just tell you that the item isn't working and there's no way that you will be able to prove that the item is working, so they can scam you very easily. However, one category that I will highly suggest for you to go to will be toys and games. The reason for that is because there's a lot of variety, and if a toy is selling currently, best bet you believe it will sell for your store as well. So I'm just going to go with anything here. Karaoke machine. Okay, now what I want to do is I want to search around 80 words of this title here, around 80 characters, okay, on eBay. So then I can find the other dropshipping competitors. I can look at what items that they've been selling, and then I can copy those items and list it as my own using a different title, again utilizing my AI software that I'm currently using. So I'm just going to go ahead and click this button. It's basically the same thing, just copy and title if you're not using the software, and then you can just paste it onto your eBay, and you're going to see a bunch of these sellers. And best bet you believe, look at these images over here, you're utilizing literally the same images, so they are most likely are dropshipping people. So now you can copy these usernames, or you can just basically search them up one by one. I'll just have a click button here because I'm utilizing an AI. It's just going to save all of the seller's name for me, or the seller usernames. Now, the next stage would be I would be running a competitor research. However, I did already do that, so I don't want to go through that. And this is the plan, okay? The first day, you want to list an item after warming up is going to be one item. The second day would be 2 items. The third day would be 4 items. The fourth day would be 8 items. The fifth day would be 16. The sixth day would be around 32 items. And then after that, 64, 128, and you get the gist. Now, I've already listed around 16 items to kickstart it. Now, in the upcoming video, I'll be showing you guys my progress and the items that I've been listing and how many items that I've been listing, so you can witness each day how the compound effect is going to be taking and how much you will be making per a listing every single day. So I will be seeing you guys in the next video. Keep it up. The challenges will be coming up every single day.